Do you want to achieve a high score in the OET reading paper? Then watch this video because I'm going to show you how to understand the main ideas in Reading C and how they link together. Let's go! Hello, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET Premium Preparation providers, which means you are in the right place to pass your OET exam. Be sure to check out our OET Preparation courses, the links are below, and be ready to pass your exam. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you are the first person to know when we upload a new video. Let's get started. What is linking and cohesion? Linking and cohesion are words and phrases which are used to add clarity and structure. And here are some common examples. Can you match them to their function? Okay, let's take a look. So contrast linkers, we have although, however, and despite. Adding information, in addition, as well as. Expressing results or cause and effect, for which, due to. And for timing and sequencing, we have previously, subsequently. As well as adding structure, these phrases also serve as signposting to help you understand the text and indicate what comes next. Referencing words such as this, he, it, those, them, etc. are also part of cohesion and often used in Reading C to avoid repetition. How is linking and cohesion used in Reading C? Let's have a look. Look at this paragraph. Let's see what information the linkers and cohesion give us. By using despite here, right at the beginning of the paragraph, we know that contrasting ideas are going to be discussed. So we can see that there is lots of evidence about the benefits of breastfeeding. However, there continues to be some debate. Relative clauses will also be used throughout Reading C to improve the flow and connect the sentences. The word which here refers to natural antibodies. In this paragraph, the benefits of breastfeeding are being highlighted. With the use of in contrast, we know that contrasting information is coming. And here we have that contrasting information, the claims from manufacturers about formula milk. Let's have a look at the next paragraph and see how linkers and cohesion are used there. Again, the paragraph starts with a contrast by using although and highlights the low rates of breastfeeding in the UK. This is contrasted with the fact that women are encouraged to breastfeed. Timing and sequencing also is used with by 2 weeks and by 4 months to support this view. The word yet indicates that a contrasting idea will now be expressed, explaining that not many women are physiologically unable to breastfeed. Today is used to highlight and emphasize the current trend, comparing statistics to the past, and because is used to give the reason or cause of this. Now you have a try. Read through this next paragraph about pet therapy. Can you spot the linkers? And what effect do they have? Whilst is used to make a contrast between what is established, the benefits of pet therapy, and what needs to be addressed, the infection control risks. This is because refers to the reason why infection control risks need to be addressed. Which refers to microbes and parasites, but which also refers to microbes and parasites and expresses contrast, that they can be transmitted to humans. We then have the sentence, recent research found that healthy dogs who visited hospitals were carriers of a number of pathogens. And then there is the phrase, because of this, the this referring to the research found. Because of this then introduces the consequence of this discovery, that pet therapy dogs are limited to approved clinical areas and are not permitted around immunosuppressed patients. In addition, is then used to add a further consequence that patients must be consulted before receiving visits from pets. Now we understand the paragraph better, let's see if it helps us answer the Reading C question. What do we learn about pet therapy in the final paragraph? Read through the options and decide which answer you think fits best. That's right, option B is correct. The text says that pets can carry microbes and are therefore limited in clinical areas. Options A and C are incorrect as they are allowed in some clinical areas. It's only limited. And option D is incorrect as pets are only allowed in approved areas, not all areas. For example, where there are immunosuppressed patients. Let's have a look at some ideas on how you can practice this in preparation for your OET exam. Practice identifying linking and cohesive devices using a variety of texts. Analyze the effect they have. And use online resources to find articles with a medical topic. Here are some useful websites you can use for this. Let's have a look at this in practice with an extract from the Conversation website. Here we have a paragraph taken from an article about why some people have side effects when quitting sugar. It's a good idea to practice noticing and understanding the linking and cohesion that you will find in Reading C. Let's take a look. We can see examples of cohesion with which referring to reduce calorie intake, and the use of and to express another benefit of reducing sugar intake. But is used to introduce the contrasting information that despite the benefits of reducing sugar, some side effects can be experienced. Which refers to these side effects and is used to add that they should be temporary. The reason for these side effects signals the cause because they are poorly understood. And but is used to contrast with the probable cause of these symptoms. Now you have a try. Here we have the next paragraph from this article. We can see that now is used in the first sentence as a time sequencer to describe the change in trend and how sugar is currently added to make foods tastier. The as at the beginning of the paragraph expresses the reason for this. Beyond is used to highlight the negative effects sugar has on the brain, suggesting there are consequences more than just changing the taste of food. These effects refer to the biological effects mentioned just before, and though is used for contrast at the end to highlight the possibility of an addiction to sugar is still being studied, therefore not fully explored. Top tips for linking and cohesion in Reading C. Notice how they are used. Linking words and phrases are always used through academic writing. Using the wide range of resources available, go through texts underlining linking words and ensure that you understand the meaning that they are giving. Past papers. Go through any previous Reading C papers that you may have done and notice how linking devices are used. Then go back and check the questions, particularly focusing on any answers that were incorrect, and see how linking devices are used to help you understand your errors. Write example sentences. In preparation for Reading C, you should be reading lots and lots of academic style texts to improve your reading skills. Once you have finished reading a whole article, try to summarize the text into one paragraph and use linking devices to help you give clarity. So I'd like to know what linking phrases you found lots of in Reading C texts. Let me know in the comments below. And if you're preparing for your OET exam, be sure to check out our website, the link's below, to see how we can help you pass your exam. And if you want more information on this topic, be sure to check out our other videos here. See you next time. Bye. Do you want to improve your score for the OET reading paper? Then watch this video. I'm going to show you how to understand... No, I hesitated. I don't really know what I'm saying. I want to know... What do I want to... For more videos like this, on this topic... For more videos on this topic, you can click here. If you want to know more about this topic,